A joint delegation consisting of MDC James Debbarma, MDC Jiten Debbarma and MLA Swapna Debbarma submitted a formal memorandum to the Block Development Officer to address the prolonged delay in financial assistance distributions to elderly male and female beneficiaries under state welfare schemes, calling for the immediate release of the pending funds. Following a formal deliberation with the Block Development Officer, MLA Swapna Debbarma confirmed that the pending welfare funds are scheduled to be released within 10 to 15 days.
Especially Chini Mandai RD block all the the deputations Klaizak money Paimanjaka Honorable MLA 11 Mandai constituency ni Boram Ganangzak Sini Madam Swapna Debbarma Taiba Paimanjak Paikyao Zagawo 16 Mandai Polinpur constituency Tidiadi Sini Honorable MDC Sini Dada Jiten Debbarma Hambaimaro Taibo Sini all deputations no Kerake Khorang Pisana ni bagai Ha dofa jati ni bagai always to Khorang Tisai tongnai Sini block ni Sini working president former Sini Uncle Osin Debbarma Taibo especially Taibo Hambaimaro Norok Jotonono Tinini all deputations no logirna ni bagai Sini bicar ni bagai Khorang Pisana ni bagai Haksal ni phainai Joto ani rangsak ni okra sakra block Rangsak ni sini mafal song Rangsak ni sini nana dadu song Norok joto nono ani torop theke hamjak ma tai chiba yafar jau Tini sundrake dukho nalu Thanai prai 3 mas Romoi je bata mani tongmani norok O bata tini 3 mas romoi nong ni account do habya lui tongu Busuk zorati cost norok tomi tong sunaba sailalo Norok ni je daily monthly bata mani tongabai nongi luku nongi paribar Norok ni daily rozgar division pe abo choli lui tongu Kintu sei bata le pojante se thanai 3 mas romoi nai nongi account na habya ngai tongmani sunbrai ke cost na mo haise Tini abo no Khorang Pisana ni bagai Sungo jaga palbak se kai phayai borok ni thani sengkok reka jodi no morok ni batano dakti kan jodi abo dawi ri angkangke ka sui tongkangke buba grani warrior sok buba grani sengkago kuno dina siring kai tongak borok no pura sung andolan khayai o batano sengkurai tai bai tai digi sungboro mai kok samani pore Video berake dukkit onlai CDP dukkit onlai Sunno kok maraka Besangni dos hoite 15 tarik dibisingo Jotto je kusajak bata tomari Sini nana dadu sogni dakti kai mar sinai Amoni bagai Norongamo sang belai ke hambai maru aise
Reporter Pemalin from Monday, Chini Khorang.